Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Recently I received this error with my ESP32 microcontroller. A fatal error occurred. MD5 of file does not match data in flash. I have invested a lot of work in order to solve this, and now I would like to share that with you. Follow me. Let me show you how I solved this problem. This error basically means that there is content or your flash that not supposed to be there. And solution that I have used is to erase content of my flash. So how you are going to do that? First of all, you are going to use your Python and pip to install ESP tools. ESP tool. So I already have this tool installed, and now I'm going to show you how you are going to use it. First, you are going to call ESP tool.py. Then you are going to provide name of your chip. So I have ESP32, but if you type like, let me show you, H, you are going to receive a lot of information about this tool. So you could use chip auto, ESP8266, 32, ESP32S2, and many others. But now I'm going to show you a command that I have used. So ESP chip ESP32. Now you are going to provide a port that is a port that your microcontroller is connected to. So for me it's div TT Y USB 0, and now baud rate 115200. It's totally fine. After, it's optional hard reset. And at the end, what is actually this command going to do? Erase flash. And if I type enter, but keep in mind that during this procedure, every pin of your microcontroller must be free. So now I'm going to open my Arduino IDE, and I'm going to clear this. And now I'm going to upload this. And keep in mind, whenever you are uploading Sketch to your ESP32, you should keep button boot pressed. So that is what I'm going to do now. And now I'm going to click on upload. Okay, now I'm going to press button reset like this, and I'm going to open my serial monitor. So the result is low. As you can see, this procedure worked very well. So that's all for now, guys. Take care and goodbye.